You've been told to count calories, track every bite, measure every step, but what if none of that really mattered? What if the real key to fat loss had nothing to do with willpower or numbers, and everything to do with a single overlooked hormone? This hormone silently controls your hunger, your fat storage, and even your energy. Yet most people, and even most doctors, rarely talk about it. You've likely never heard of it, but once you understand it, you'll realize why calorie counting has failed so many people, and what your body has been trying to tell you all along. Let's unlock the truth behind the hormone that could change your body from the inside out. 1. The hidden master. What is leptin? The hormone we're talking about is leptin, and it could be the missing piece in your fat loss puzzle. Leptin is produced by your fat cells. Yes, your fat actually talks to your brain. When you have enough energy stored, your fat cells release leptin. This tells your brain, we're full. We don't need to eat. We can start burning fat. But when leptin isn't working right, your brain never gets the message. The result? You stay hungry even when full. Your metabolism slows down and your body clings to fat like it's preparing for a famine. This condition is called leptin resistance, and it's silently affecting millions. 2. Why counting calories doesn't fix leptin resistance? Here's the shocking truth. Cutting calories might actually make leptin resistance worse. When you eat too little for too long, your body senses danger. It lowers leptin production and raises hunger hormones like ghrelin. That's why diets feel like a battle. Your body isn't working with you, it's fighting to survive. And when you finally cave and eat more, your body stores that food faster than ever, just in case it goes into starvation mode again. You're not weak. You're working against a powerful biological defense system. 3. The leptin reset. How to rewire your hormones naturally. So how do you reset leptin and let your body burn fat the way it's designed to? Here's what research says. 1. Prioritize protein at breakfast. Eating 25 to 30 grams of protein first thing in the morning reduces ghrelin, boosts dopamine, and helps reset leptin sensitivity. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a high-quality protein shake. 2. Get quality sleep. Just one night of poor sleep can reduce leptin by 15% and increase cravings the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep to keep your hormones balanced. 3. Use intermittent fasting wisely. Time-restricted eating, like a 16-8 fast, gives your body time to lower insulin, reduce inflammation, and help leptin signals get through again. 4. Cut out processed foods and fructose. Ultra-processed foods and sugar, especially high-fructose corn syrup, interfere with leptin signaling. The cleaner your food, the clearer your hormonal communication. 5. Manage stress. Cortisol, your stress hormone, suppresses leptin and increases fat storage, especially around the belly. Meditation, deep breathing, or light walks can lower cortisol naturally. 4. The real reason you're not losing fat. If you've tried diet after diet and still can't lose weight, if you feel tired, hungry, and frustrated, you're not broken. You're not lazy. You're leptin resistant. Fixing leptin is about balance, not restriction. It's about hormonal harmony, not obsessing over numbers. When leptin starts working properly again, hunger fades, energy returns, and your body finally releases stored fat, and that's when real transformation begins. So before you count another calorie, before you start another extreme diet, pause and listen to what your hormones are telling you. Leptin isn't just another hormone. It's the master switch to your fat-burning system. If you can understand it, reset it, and nourish it, you'll stop fighting your body and finally start working with it. Have you ever heard of leptin before? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed secrets your body has been hiding from you. In the next video, we'll reveal the one gut microbe scientists say could be sabotaging your weight loss goals without you knowing it. Stay tuned. Your body is smarter than you think.